Dear student, we will start with the new topic term to be N2 cycle. So what is nitrogen cycle? So before going that, we must be aware of nitrogen is composed or we consider our earth is our atmosphere is composed of 78% of nitrogen. Moreover, the biological important terms like RNA, DNA, they all have the constitute of nitrogen in it. Other than this, plants utilize nitrates and nitrites indirectly as a nitrogen. So this was the whole scenario. Now there are 4 steps to study what is N2 cycle. What are the 4 steps? The first is N2 fixation, that is nitrogen fixation. Let me write again. The first step is N2 fixation. Second is ammonification. The third one is nitrification. And the fourth is denitrification. So these are the 4 steps. So first we will study about the very first step, that is N2 fixation. How nitrogen is fixed. So if we will consider how nitrogen is fixed in atmosphere, then we will have rhizobium, bacteria which are found in root nodules. You have seen now under the soil the roots are like this and they have the nodules like this, so they can fix the N2. So nitrogen is fixed in this form. Secondly, when lightning occurs, होता है ना, lightning जब भी होता है, again at a particular temperature and pressure, it will fix the N2. And the third way in which we will have a nitrogen is by industries. How by industries? As they can use chemical or they can make chemical fertilizers like NPK, nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus and potassium. So for this purpose nitrogen is utilized, or these are the 3 methods by which nitrogen can be fixed in our surrounding. The second is ammonification. What is ammonification? So ammonification is a process in which these decomposers rely on dead organic matter and produce ammonia, and that is called ammonification. The third one is nitrification. What is nitrification? When we have nitrogen to be converted into NO2 and NO3, nitrates and nitrites, and with the help of 2 microorganisms. This is termed to be nitrification. Nitrogen is converted to nitrates and nitrites with the help of two microorganisms. This is termed to be nitrification. So, for nitrification, the two bacteria which help them are Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. So these are two enzymes which will help in conversion of ammonia into, ये नाइट्रोजन को भी कन्वर्ट करता है और अमोनिया को भी कन्वर्ट करता है into what? Nitrates and nitrites. Again, when N2 or ammonia is converted into NO2, NO3, then the whole process is termed to be nitrification. Now the last one, denitrification. As the name suggests, denitrification यानी reducing nitrates and nitrites again into nitrogen in the atmosphere. This is termed to be denitrification, and the bacteria which help them is Pseudomonas. So denitrification कब होता है? जब nitrates are converted to nitrogen with the help of bacteria, for example Pseudomonas, and again it was transferred to atmosphere. So let us summarize the whole. N2 in atmosphere, N2 in atmosphere is fixed. So it is termed to be the nitrogen fixation, and fixed by whom? Plants. है ना, प्लांट्स के थ्रू फिक्स कर दिए गए. एंड देन डेड होने के बाद यही प्लांट्स अमोनिया रिलीज़ करेंगे, and it is termed to be ammonification. Again nitrates are converted to third step, what we call as nitrification, because हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिलेंगे? NO3 plus NO2. This nitrification process again have that nitrates to be converted into nitrogen by denitrification. So the whole cycle was carry on. So the nitrogen which is in atmosphere, it is fixed by plants as termed as nitrogen fixation. This nitrofixation again has the other property. When they get dead plants and animals, they release ammonia, and that ammonia was released in the atmosphere, so it is termed to be ammonification. Along with this, parallelly we have nitrogen and ammonia, both they are converted to nitrates. So when they are converted to nitrates, they are termed to be nitrification, and when these nitrates are again converted into nitrogen, then they are termed to be the simple element as nitrogen. So this is all about nitrogen cycle in atmosphere.